Hello beautiful people and welcome to this video. I hope you're having a magical day, magical evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope it is magical. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm trying out a face peel. The one that I'm using today is Homepeel, and this is their green herbs peel. So this one and this one. So this is the 5-day skin peel. So essentially this is going to peel off all my skin, 5 to 7 days perhaps. Give me all that herbal goodness. Gloves, because you need gloves for this one. Oh, this is all sciencey, I'm excited. Pamphlet of all the things that you need to know about peels, because I don't know anything about peels. This is my first one, so I thought that's why I'll film it. First thing I did was I exfoliated my skin, because that's apparently how you get the best results. You're keeping your skin really dry. And so I just went crazy exfoliating it before, and also making sure that your skin is 100% dry before doing it, because apparently some of the ingredients solidify with water, so you gotta keep your skin really dry. Oh, I'm already starting to feel that. Oh, I'm feeling heat. I'm trying to get more of these herbs in there. That is intense. Woo, I'm feeling that burn. Feel the burn. Just keeps rubbing, just keeps scrubbing. Okay, so I was told to focus a lot more on your forehead, because you tend to move the bottom of your face a lot more. Keep rubbing all the herbs into your skin. Even if they keep falling off, just keep rubbing them in. Yeah, this is gonna work really well for me. So if you don't feel it the first time, you can add salt into it and it makes it more intense. And the longer that you persevere, the better it's gonna be. I don't know how many minutes it's been. I'm just trying to make sure. I want to make sure it peels really well for you guys. I loved hearing Jodie's story, because she's actually been doing these products for about 12 years now, 13 years now. And basically the reason she started this brand was because she didn't like that it was like 700 bucks to do it in a salon when you can do it at home. So now it's time to wash this off with some cold water, and then we'll see how this peels. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so I've just taken off the mask and I've just washed it off with cold water and patted my skin dry. This is kind of what it's looking like at the moment. I don't know if you can really see this frosted almost effect through here, and even just on my forehead a little bit, like where I've had any blemishes, frosted over. It's very dry, smooth. If you use cold water it will feel better, so I think that's why they recommend the cold, because it'll kind of neutralize that heat that's on your skin. So it says for the rest of the evening you've got to pat it dry. You don't do anything for your skin for the rest of the evening. So normally I'll do like a moisturizer and some bio oil. Can't do that today. You want to keep your skin super dry for the next 5 days, and if you're going to go outside, SPF, because obviously as the new skin's coming through, it's going to be super sensitive. I have to expect to peel in approximately the next 2 to 3 days. First it will look very tight and dry, a little like a sunburn, then it may feel thick like a mask is on your skin, and then this mask will crack and peel. The longer it takes for your skin to crack and peel, the better the result will be. Do not be a picker, don't prematurely see it peeling and keep going. It's got to come off naturally. Yeah, as I'm going to go through this process, that's kind of what I'm going to expect. We'll see what happens with my skin. Good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. Guys, so it's been 2 days since first doing the peel. On the first day it just looked like a light pink sunburn. It didn't really look like much, it just looked like I got a little bit of color on my face. I was like, okay. Towards the evening it started to kind of look like that post-workout redness. So I was like, okay. It literally looked like I just worked out before starting my workout yesterday. And then it's not so much on the forehead, but through here I've got a lot of patchiness, and I've started to peel on this side and through here, and also around the sensitive eye areas. Yeah, I hope this doesn't look like this for another couple of days. That'd be great, because it's looking quite red. So I think that's gonna peel off very soon, and hopefully we get some really great results with this. Anyway, this is how my skin's looking on day 2. Have some peeling tomorrow. Fingers crossed. See you soon. Around this time, my forehead felt like a lizard-like texture. That's the only way I can describe it. It didn't feel like skin. It felt like a mask. It did feel like a mask. I'm about to head into work right now, and I just wanted to say thank you to Homepeel because my skin is looking fantastic. It's been about 2 weeks since the peel. My peel duration, some people say 5 days, some 7 days. Mine took about 8.5 days. It's my first peel. I've never done anything like this to my skin before. I was very frightened the first 2 days that I'd given myself a chemical burn. I'm not kidding, because I got a lot of redness around my face. It's become almost like a lizard-like texture, which was very like alarming for me, I guess. I've never had my skin look like that before. So for about 3-4 days it was like that, but I was getting little bits of peeling around the mouth, so I knew that, okay, that was the new skin. Okay, so that kind of gave me a little bit of confidence in the product. On around the 5th day I was getting full peeling around the face area, and I was avoiding the sun because it was peeling a lot, because I'm very dynamic. I move my mouth a lot when I talk, so I was getting a lot of peeling in this area and not a lot here, so I didn't want my skin to be 2 different colors, so I was just avoiding the sun for like a week. For me in particular, I don't know why, but I could not get my forehead dry enough. So it wasn't that the peel itself took about 8 days, it was on my forehead. It took about, on the 7th day, it was peeling like it should have down here, just because I was exercising daily and I don't really move my forehead too much, so it took a lot longer to peel there. And afterwards I steamed my face. I had a nice porcelain bowl, filled that with steaming hot water, and had my face over that with a cloth over it, not touching the water, and I just steamed my face for about 10 minutes, and then I exfoliated with coconut oil, and my skin felt amazing. I actually just recommend doing that on its own. My skin honestly feels so soft. It's baby soft, like I can't complain. I had a few blemishes here and there, but my overall skin was very good quality. I just wanted a deep exfoliation. That's kind of why I wanted to try it, and I like trying new things. I love crazy beauty routines. That's just me. I love weird masks. I like trying things. I'm a skincare junkie in that respect. This is my honest review. If you're struggling with acne, I would try a face peel or something. I think that is definitely something that could help instead of taking harsh medications. If Retrieve creams and things aren't working, give face peels a go, as well as a nice gentle skincare routine. If you're starting to show signs of aging and you want to go back to your youthful skin, this is also something that you do. Right now, as a 21-year-old, you can't really see too much of a difference, but I can feel the difference though. Is it Kimberly approved? Yes. It took a lot longer than I thought to peel, but then again, my skin naturally does produce a lot of its own oil. But yeah, it gave me the desired result. It peeled and it worked. It did. My skin's really soft. Would I do it again? I wouldn't do it often, only because it really does interfere with work. Because if I'd gone in on day 3, I wouldn't have been able to work. So I didn't do it on Wednesday night. I did it on Friday because I was just really excited to use the product. But because of that, I was peeling through like Monday through Friday the following week. Whereas if I'd done it on Wednesday, I would be peeling on maybe Friday, but I'd be peeling mostly over the weekend. Being fantastic. So thank you, Jody. Thank you, Homepeel. And I will catch up with you guys on the next review. Please subscribe, join the family. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, beautiful people. Bye.